Why do we fear something that happens to every living thing? Death. It terrifies us, haunts us, and yet it is completely natural. The Stoics believed that fear of death is not only irrational, it's a waste of life. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and philosopher, once wrote, "It is not death that a man should fear, but never beginning to live." To the Stoics, death was not the enemy. It was simply part of the cycle, just like birth, sleep, and change. Epictetus, a former slave-turned-teacher, said, "Death and pain are not frightening. It's the fear of pain or death that is frightening." In other words, it's not death that paralyzes us. It's our thoughts about it. We fear losing control. But Stoicism reminds us, death is the ultimate thing outside our control. Worrying about it is like trying to stop the sun from setting. Instead of fearing death, the Stoics embraced it, not with despair, but with freedom. They practiced memento mori. Remember you will die, not as a morbid obsession, but as a daily reminder to live with urgency, clarity, and purpose. Seneca put it this way: "Let us prepare our minds as if we'd come to the very end of life. Let us postpone nothing. Let us balance life's books each day." The truth is, death gives life meaning. It strips away the trivial. It forces us to ask, what really matters? So why do we fear death? Perhaps because we haven't fully learned how to live. But when we face death with wisdom, we stop running and start living.